Hello my dear friends, today we will be discussing about the fifth exercise of algebraic expression and its identity of standard 8. It is in exercise 9.5. Okay my dear friends, in this exercise we will be discuss the various identity and how we are using this identity to solve any expression. In the before exercises what we are doing, what we did, that how the expressions are multiplied with each other or added or subtract with each other and what are the results are coming. Here the identities means if the expressions are combined with each other and they are forming an identity, then how this identity has helped to solve the problems. Okay, let's discuss one by one. The first identity in this exercise is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the first identity my dear friends, and it is very important. Today whatever the identity we will be studying, it is very important for your what? Yes, it is. Tell me. Yes, it will be helpful for you to solve your problems. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Here, whenever I pronounce this one, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, like this one. Let's prove it. How we should prove this identity? Let's take it a plus b whole square. This is left hand side. This is right hand side. If I will be solve the or expanded the left hand side and the right hand side, and the result will be coming as equal to the right hand side, then I will say that this is coming under a identity. Okay, let's see. A plus b whole square is equal to a plus b into a plus b. How? Some of you will be having doubts. Yes or no? 2 square is what, my dear friends? 2 into 2 or not? Like this one is also. Okay. So multiply it now. You know it. How to multiply it? A into a plus b into a plus b. Now multiply it. A square plus ab plus ba plus b square. You know it in very well manner. Next, a square. Now arrange it. ab plus b square. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the answer. Now the left hand side expression is equal to the right hand side expression. Yes, it is. That is a plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a very important identity. You have to be by heart this one, my dear friends, because it is coming to you in your whole lifetime. Okay, it will helpful for your lifetime. Okay, okay. This is the first one. Go for the second one. Okay. What is the second one is saying, my dear friends? The second one is saying about a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the second identity. Okay. This will also help you in your lifetime. And how you have to be using this identity, I will be tell you one by one. Okay. But before that, we have to know how it will be formed or how to prove the identities. Okay. Let's take the LHS side. What is the LHS side? Yes, very good, Aniket. It is a minus b whole square. Again, it is same thing. A minus b into a minus b. Now multiply it. A into a minus b minus, because it's minus there, minus b of a minus b. Now be careful because minus is there. A square minus ab. Again minus ba. Minus into minus plus b square. Now arrange these two. A square minus ab minus ba means it is ab plus b square. Now a square minus ab minus ab. Who will tell me how much? Yes, Arushi. Very good. It is minus 2ab plus b square. Now our identity is proved. Okay. A minus b square is equal to what? A square minus a minus b whole square is equal to what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. I will say that LHS is equal to RHS, means this identity is proved. Understood, my dear friends? So this is very, very important for you to what? Remember the identities. Okay? Okay, very good, my dear friend. Let's go to the third one. What is the third one is saying? Okay? Let's see what is the third one is saying. Third one is saying about third one is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, or a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Either or. Okay? Let's do whatever you want to take it. Take this one also, this one also. Let's prove it whether this identity is satisfy our what? Expressions or not. Okay? Satisfy our results or not. Okay? Let's do it. Take this one as LHS, this one as RHS. We will take this one. Okay? Same thing, take it a plus b into a minus b. Second step, this one will multiply with this one will multiply with this. Okay? A into a minus b plus b into a minus b. Yes or no, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Now solve it. A square minus ab plus ba minus b square. Now arrange it in a correct form. Okay? So it is a square minus ab plus ab minus b square. Here minus ab plus ab cancelled. Then what is the result? It will be a square minus b square. So this identity will also prove that what? The expression of the left hand side is equal to the expression of the right side. Okay? Like this manner you have to prove all the identity. Okay, my dear friends? Okay, let's go to the fourth one, my dear friends. What is the fourth one is saying? Understood? What is the fourth one is saying? The fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to, okay, it is that is what? It is x square plus a plus b into of x plus, tell me, yes it is ab. Understood? Now we have to prove the left hand side expression is equal to right hand side expression or not. Okay, let's do it. Take the left hand side expression, that is x plus a into x plus b. Okay, my dear friends. So my dear friends, multiply this one now. These two, x into x plus b plus a into x plus b is equal to, now multiply and solve it, x square plus bx plus ax plus a into b, ab. Okay, now in these cases, which one is common here? Yes, very good, Aniket. It is x is common here. Okay, b plus a plus ab. But our formula is what? A plus b. Okay, then arrange it. X square into a plus b plus a. You will say that, sir, you are putting your x in this side also. You know that 2 into 3 is equal to what? 3 into 2. Yes or no? So arrange it again. X square plus a plus b into of x is equal to ab. Now our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Check it. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now our identity are proved by what? Left hand side and right hand side combination. Means the expression, the result of the expression of the left hand side is equal to the result of the expression of the right hand side. If it is proved, then we say that the identifier are satisfied with our what? Given expression. Okay. So my dear friends, before going to the 9.5 exercise, you have to be by heart all these 4 identities so that you can solve all the questions of 9.5 exercise. Okay. Or the problems which is related with these identities. Okay, my dear friends. So my dear friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe it, and if you have any doubt, then please what? Write in my comments so that I will be clear your doubts. Okay, and we will be discuss the 9.5 exercise in the next part. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.